Are you looking to boost your protein intake on a vegan diet? Well, honey, you've come to the right place. It's your girl, Tabitha Brown, here to give you the lowdown on the best high-protein vegan foods out there. We're about to dive deep into a world of flavor and nutrition, so buckle up, Buttercup. We're going to be talking about everything from lentils to tempeh, quinoa to hemp seeds, and so much more. First up, we've got lentils. Now don't let their small size fool you, these little guys are packed with protein. We're talking about 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. You can use them in soups, stews, salads, or even make a delicious lentil loaf. Plus, lentils are a great source of fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. So, next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up a bag of lentils. Next up, we've got chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. They can be used in so many different ways and they always taste amazing. We're talking about 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. You can roast them, mash them, blend them into hummus or toss them in salads. One of my favorite ways to enjoy chickpeas is to roast them with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Now let's talk about tofu, the versatile and often misunderstood protein. Tofu gets a bad rap sometimes, but I'm here to tell you that it's actually delicious. When prepared correctly, it can be a delightful addition to any meal. The key is to cook it right. Whether you grill it, pan fry it, or bake it, tofu can take on a variety of textures and flavors. Tofu is made from soybeans, and it's a great source of protein, with about 10 grams per half-cup serving. It's also low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. It's like a blank canvas for flavor. You can season it with your favorite spices and sauces to create a dish that's uniquely yours. You can crumble it up in a stir-fry, adding a wonderful texture and absorbing all the delicious flavors of the dish. Slice it up and bake it to get a crispy exterior and a soft, tender inside. Or even blend it into a smoothie for a protein boost without altering the taste. One of my favorite ways to enjoy tofu is to marinate it in my favorite sauce and then bake it until it's crispy. The result is a flavorful, satisfying dish that's perfect for any occasion. Chapter 4. Tempeh, fermented and fabulous. Now, let's talk about tempeh. Tempeh is another soy product, but it's fermented, which gives it a slightly nutty flavor. And let me tell you, this stuff is a protein powerhouse. We're talking about 21 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. You can crumble it up in a stir-fry, grill it, bake it, or even use it as a meat substitute in sandwiches. One of my favorite ways to enjoy tempeh is to marinate it in a flavorful sauce and then grill it until it's crispy. Chapter 5. Edamame pop, these for protein. Now let's talk about edamame. These little green soybeans are not just fun to eat, they're also packed with protein. We're talking about 17 grams of protein per cooked cup. You can steam them, boil them, or even microwave them. They're also delicious tossed in salads or stir-fries. Chapter 6. Quinoa, the complete protein champion. Now let's talk about quinoa. This ancient grain has been cultivated for thousands of years and was a staple food for the Incas. Quinoa is one of those superfoods that everyone's talking about, and for good reason. It's not just trendy, it's incredibly nutritious. It's a complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. This makes it an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. And while it may not have as much protein as some of the other foods on this list, with 8 grams per cooked cup, it's still a great source of protein, especially for a grain. Plus, it's packed with fiber, iron, and magnesium. You can use quinoa in so many different ways. It can be a base for salads, a side dish, or even a breakfast porridge. One of my favorite ways to enjoy quinoa is to cook it in vegetable broth, and then toss it with my favorite veggies and a light dressing. It's versatile, delicious, and incredibly healthy. Now, let's talk about seitan. Seitan is made from wheat gluten, and it's a great option for people who are looking for a meat-free alternative that has a similar texture to meat. And let me tell you, this stuff is a protein powerhouse. We're talking about 25 grams of protein per 3.5 ounces. You can use seitan in so many different ways. One of my favorite ways to enjoy seitan is to marinate it in a flavorful sauce and then bake it or grill it until it's crispy. Chapter 8. Black beans, small but mighty. Now let's talk about black beans. These little beans are a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. They're delicious, nutritious, and so versatile. We're talking about 15 grams of protein per cooked cup. One of my favorite ways to enjoy black beans is to make a simple black bean salad with corn, tomatoes, onions, and a light lime dressing. Chapter 9. Hemp Seeds, Tiny Seeds, Big Nutrition. Now let's talk about hemp seeds. These little seeds are often overlooked, but they're actually a nutritional powerhouse. They're a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. We're talking about 10 grams of protein per 3 tablespoons. One of my favorite ways to enjoy hemp seeds is to add them to my morning smoothie. Chapter 10. Nutritional Yeast, Cheesy Flavor, Vegan Style. Last but not least, let's talk about nutritional yeast. This versatile ingredient is a staple in many vegan kitchens. Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast that has a cheesy, nutty flavor that is absolutely delicious. It's often used as a cheese substitute in various recipes, and while it may not be the highest protein food on this list, with 8 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons, it's still a great source of protein, especially for a condiment. It's also low in calories, making it a healthy addition to your meals. Plus, nutritional yeast is fortified with vitamin B12, which is an essential nutrient that is often lacking in vegan diets. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to boost their B12 intake. You can sprinkle nutritional yeast on popcorn, pasta, or even use it to make vegan cheese sauces. Its versatility is truly impressive. One of my favorite ways to enjoy nutritional yeast is to sprinkle it on my popcorn with a little bit of sea salt and black pepper. It's a simple yet delicious snack that satisfies those cheesy cravings without any dairy. Outro, go forth and get your protein on. Well, there you have it. Those are my top 10 high-protein vegan foods. I hope this video has inspired you to try some new things and to see just how delicious and satisfying a vegan diet can be. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which high-protein vegan food is your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. Until next time, stay blessed and keep it flavorful.